Have you ever noticed how women who create India's most beautiful things are often the least visible? The saris we wear, the crafts we admire, the traditions we proudly call our culture. Even in Mumbai, walking through Dada market during the festival season, you see their work everywhere. Paithani borders, Mogra gajras, glass bangles, handmade torans, jewelry passed from one generation to another. I think of those market lanes where every stall has something made, chosen, preserved, or arranged by women. These things feel small, but they quietly shape how we celebrate. But we rarely know their names. Behind so much of what we celebrate are women who learned the skills from their mothers and grandmothers. Women who kept entire tradition alive with their hands. And that's why I love what Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat Swadeshi ke Anant Rang are trying to do. It is not just celebrating culture, it is celebrating people behind it. Supported by Garware High Tech Films and implemented by Sakshi, it is happening on 22nd and 23rd July 2026 at NCPA Mumbai, and it has free entry. You should definitely check it out.